How much alcohol can I declare in my checked luggage?
Hello, travelers. Today, we're talking about a topic that might come in handy for those of you who love to bring back a bottle or two of local spirits from your travels. We're discussing how much alcohol you can legally declare in your checked luggage.
What does the law say?
There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as it largely depends on the regulations in place in your destination country. However, if we're talking about the United States, for example, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, allows up to 5 liters of alcohol per person as long as it's packaged in unopened retail packaging and the alcohol content is not over 70%, 140 proof.
What about international travel?
When it comes to international travel, it's crucial to remember that rules can differ substantially between countries. As such, it's always best to check with your airline and the customs authority of your destination country. In general, though, you'll find that most places allow you to carry up to 1 liter of alcohol duty-free. Anything beyond that may be subject to taxes and duties.
What if I go over the limit?
If you bring more alcohol than the permitted limit, it's essential to declare it at customs. Failure to do so could result in penalties or confiscation of the excess alcohol. However, be aware that any declared alcohol over the duty-free limit might be subject to import taxes.
What about packing?
When packing alcohol, it's vital to ensure it's secured to prevent any leaks or breakages. Most airlines require alcohol to be in its original retail packaging. Using padded sleeves or bubble wrap can help protect your bottles during transit. Traveling with alcohol can be a bit of a balancing act between meeting legal requirements and ensuring your prized bottles arrive intact. Remember, the rules can vary greatly, so always double-check with your airline and the customs authorities of your departure and arrival countries. Safe travels, and here's to bringing home a taste of your adventures.